Welcome to Shirofune. Here's to a successful ad targeting campaign for your company. In this setup guide, we will help you get up and running with your new Shirofune account. Shirofune provides features to help ad professionals save as much as 50% of their time while maximizing their ad performance. Shirofune provides a bird's-eye dashboard across all ad platforms. It bids automatically and maximizes return, controls budget automatically and precisely, proposes for changes for improvements, and generates a consolidated report and an analysis report. Now, before you begin, make sure you are using the latest version of any major internet browser. You will also need the credentials and the right permissions for the ad platforms you will be connecting to Shirofune, like Google or Meta. To start your advertisement with Shirofune, you will need to create a business. Here, you will register information about the service or product you wish to advertise. First, type in a business name, then select one of three options. Click if you want to increase access to your website, conversion if you want to increase requests for information orders, and conversion value if you want to increase the amount of sales on your EC site, etc. Next, set the monthly budget, which can be changed later or set in more detail. Note, by default, the monthly budget you set here will be applied to the business you are setting up. To set the budget per ad platform or per specific ad group depending on your clients or operational needs, go to Budget Settings. Watch our Budget Settings tutorial to learn more. Next, connect Shirofune to your existing Google, Meta, TikTok, and other ad platforms. Enter the account ID of the media account and enter any name you wish to use. Please make sure you have the right credentials and permission. If you encounter any persistent errors, please check our Help Center or contact us at support.shirofune.com. If you are starting a new ad, or if you're not satisfied with your existing setup, select All Features including Campaign Setup on the left side. Note, this option is not yet available in the US, but will be added soon. For those who wish to import the existing settings, please select Automated Bidding Improvements Reporting feature on the right side. Don't worry, you can change these options later. Finally, review your input selection and hit Register to complete the initial setup. Please make sure that you have typed in the right account ID, otherwise you will not be able to continue. Now you see the business is added to Shirofune. And that's it! Your basic account setup is complete. Now, there are two additional settings we strongly recommend you pay attention to before working with your Shirofune accounts. These are Budget Settings and Conversion Settings. In budget settings, you can create your own budget groups, such as a specific product or service or a specific campaign goal. Next, under conversion settings, you can assign different priorities to your conversion settings, depending on which you deem most important for your campaigns and clients. Shirofune will value those conversions for its auto bidding and reporting accordingly. Also, by linking Google Analytics, any other analytics tools, or CRM data like Salesforce, those conversion data can be added here as well. Please watch our conversion settings tutorial to know more. Let's have a quick look at your Shirofune account dashboard. On the summary page, you'll get a board with all the typical readings of an online ad campaign, from total cost to impressions to clicks and more. Select Download Report to download either a numerical report by month or custom range, or a change analysis report. An account score option will be available for US customers in the future. For an in-depth analysis of these features, please watch our Dashboard Deep Dive tutorial. This concludes your onboarding guide for setting up and navigating through your Shirofune account. Thanks for watching!